Hi guys, welcome back to I Live to Cook. Today I'll be making a delicious Parmesan Panko crusted chicken that's juicy on the inside and crispy on the outside, and it won't even take long to make. You will need chicken, lemons, lemon zest, panko crumbs, Parmesan cheese, and white balsamic vinaigrette. I use this in place of egg. You could use also ranch or eggs, whatever you choose. So let's get started. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to zest your lemon. You see this yellow part here that you see where it's almost white here? You want to take the zest of the lemon, the yellow part, off. When you see that it's turning white, you want to stop because that part is bitter. We have our lemon zest. Okay, so let's get started. So my chicken, my lemon zest, my sauce, cheese, a little bit of breadcrumbs. I'm going to put some more in there. I just put some salt and pepper in there. About 2 cups of panko crumbs. Mix in your lemon zest. That is the zest of 2 lemons. About 4 tablespoons of 4 or 5, give or take, Parm cheese. Add a little bit more. Okay, that looks good. About 6 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, 2 cups of panko crumbs. Okay. So in this dish, I'm going to add the sauce. This sauce does not have egg in it. Kind of make sure. Just going to be coating the chicken with it, and then, you know what, before I do that, let me tell you guys this. To cook this chicken, I'm cooking it on the cooling wire rack on top of my jelly roll pan. This is going to help it so it stays juicy all the way through, cooks fast, and is crispy on both sides. Okay. So, what you want to do is cook the chicken with the sauce, both sides. And like I said, you can use, you could use egg for this, and even dredge it with flour on the chicken, and then dip it in egg, and then put it in the panko crumbs. That would probably be more a traditional way, but I used to use ranch all the time. This is a healthier option. Dip it in the sauce, and then throw it in your bag of breadcrumbs. And then you're going to place this on your sheet. You put this on the pan. Okay? Keep going with the rest of the chicken. in the bag. Just going to put a little bit more pepper on these. There you have it. You put this in the oven at 425 degrees for 25 minutes, and they'll come out perfect. And I'll show you what they look like when they do. Okay guys, so I just took it out of the oven, and that's what it's supposed to look like. It is crispy on the top and the bottom. Go ahead and plate that up. That's it. It's as easy as that. Anyone can do it. I hope you guys give this recipe a try and let me know what you think.